Welcome to ModiMakes.
What's good, everybody? My name is Modi, this is ModiMakes, and today, in honor of spooky season, we're gonna be getting back into my pumpkin carving series. That's right. This is one of my earliest videos on the channel, and I had a lot of fun doing it last time, and it was one of the more popular ones on the channel when I came out with it before, so hopefully this one does well as well. I'm a little bit nervous for this one because I'm gonna be trying something that is a lot harder than anything I've tried to do before. And I'm gonna be trying to do like a 3D pumpkin carving that, you know, has like shading and such in it where you take away a lot of extra layers in order to let more light through. So it's kind of like an inverted shadow or an inverted picture or something like that. And I've just never done this style of carving before, so hopefully it goes well. What I'm gonna be putting into the pumpkin today is the Majora's Mask from Zelda in the Majora's Mask, one of my favorite Zelda games of all time from Nintendo 64. I've still never beaten the entire game to this day. I've gotten very close, but never fully done it. It's something I'm still working on, and eventually I will. But with all that out of the way, let's get into it, shall we? Well, there you have it, my peoples. My Majora's Mask pumpkin carving is complete. And you know, it really didn't turn out as well as I had hoped it would. I didn't think that it was going to be perfect because I knew that this was going to be a difficult ask for myself. You know, I'm not really much of a sculptor. I'm okay at sculpting when it comes to additive sculpting like clay and stuff, but I've never really done a lot of like chiseling or retractive sculpting before. But you know, I think it still looks pretty good for being my first time doing this. But let me know what you guys think of the pumpkin down in the comments below. And let me know if you have any questions or if you have anything you want to see me do in the future. Also throw those down in the comments below. And you know, if you like the video, go ahead and give me a like. That would be amazing. And if you like me and you like the channel and you want to help support me, the #1 thing that you can do is to subscribe. I really couldn't thank you enough. As of this video right now, I'm just about to hit 300 subscribers, which is crazy because it took me about a full year to get my first 100, and then my second 100 came in about a month, and this one has come in a little less than a month. So you guys are doing fantastic, and I really can't stress how much I appreciate the support. It's fantastic, and it seems like there's a possibility that this might really go somewhere, and I only have you guys to thank for that. So you guys are amazing. Thank you so much. And with all that out of the way, and without further ado, let's get in those final shots, shall we?